Everybody's talking how Toronto real estate market is crashing, but is it really? In this video market report, I want to explain what you should be mindful of. Thank you for tuning in, guys. It's Nikola Petkovic here. I'm a real estate professional and I'm serving my clients in the greater Toronto area. I help many families and individuals with their real estate transactions. If you have any questions about buying, selling, investing in both pre-construction and resale, feel free to call me, text me, or email me. My contact information is conveniently located below. Without any further ado, let's dive into what is happening in the market right now. And in order to understand what is happening now, we have to look in the last 2 years. The Canadian housing market has been a never-ending party for many people, where drinks are free, the music is always on, and the neighbors never complain about the noise. Unfortunately, like any other great party, too many people have shown up. But how did this party start in the first place? Low interest rates and government stimulus have driven Canadian housing prices to record highs, stretching the marginal buyer to its absolute limit. Housing affordability reached its worst level in 30 years. In Toronto, a high-income earner needed 26 years just for a down payment, which this party makes millennials the annoying young brother that was told to go to his room. How about a decades-long march towards low interest rates? How about record foreign investment flows? How about a $325 billion government deficit and a third highest deficit to GDP? The stimulus was so generous, people earned more of a Canadian Emergency Benefit, CERB, than they did working. All this led to record high savings, historically low mortgages, and enormous spike in home prices, making homeowners filthy rich on the paper, but the developers filthy rich in real life during pandemic. Now that's what I call a party. And this party had to end one day, and it did. Since the Bank of Canada began to raise interest rates in order to combat the inflation, buyers started to back out, while home prices and sales have steadily declined. The marginal buyer determines housing prices. If fewer buyers exist, fewer homes would sell at lower prices. So buyers are out of the market at the moment, but people still need a place to live. So guess what is happening right now? The rental market is under tremendous pressure as we speak, and prices for rent are going to the roof, literally. You see, the demand for real estate is always present in the greater Toronto area. I like to say Toronto real estate market never sleeps. The demand is just shifting from buying to renting in cycles. As houses become unaffordable to many, are we going to see a switch in the demand from the housing market to condos in the future? We'll see. How long will rental prices go up until people start buying again? How many people were on their vacations this summer? I was, after 2 years of lockdown. And what will happen when everyone comes back in autumn? How the market will combat with the record highest levels of immigration ever? These are amazing questions, guys, and I personally think that the market plateau is not going to last long, although this plateau is healthy for the market. I would be scared if prices continue to rise in the levels that we witnessed in the last 2 years. So far, prices of all property types are going down. If you're a buyer, next few months will bring amazing opportunity to buy at the lowest prices and less competition. I have to say, many of my buyer clients already use this opportunity wisely. If you're a seller, I would advise to wait just a little bit more. If you have any questions regarding the real estate markets, market trends, the area where you live, or if there is anything I can assist you with, let me know. Call me, text me, email me. All my information is conveniently located below. I hope you find this video helpful and see you soon in the next video. Cheers!